Hey, ladies and gentlemen, Tony Blackman here, Director of Operations with Paramount Property Investments. I'm here talking to the property owners in the Stark and Summit County areas here in Ohio. If you're a property owner and you've been acting as a landlord, keeping a tenant in your property, and maybe you're going through an eviction process and you're dealing with problem tenants, maybe one of your tenants moved out and trashed the place. Rather than, dumping a bunch of money into your property to fix it up, give us a call. We'd like to take a look at your property and make you a fair offer. We're not going to charge you any real estate commissions. We're going to purchase your property in as-is condition, and we can close quickly. So if you want some general information about us, give us a call, 330-685-2220, or just visit our website, www.investparamount.com.